Today we're going to take a look at the Wave Mic Arm Pro, the new microphone arm from Elgato. Thank you so much Elgato for sending me this one to test out. See where it opens. So we put a lot of tape around this. Let's open it up. What we have is a little manual. We have the desk clamp. We have this little connection bit, the bottom part of the arm, the top part of the arm where you attach the microphone to, and a little bag for accessories. Let's set it up. I don't think I'm gonna need the manual, but you know, before I do something wrong, I kind of want to look through it anyway. So first we grab the clamp, and we open it up. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, but then the opposite around because I don't know why, but it is. Righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. And then we attach it to the side of our desk. Okay, I didn't loosen it enough, but there we go. And then we tighten it. Don't put it too tight, just tight enough, okay? This little piece can go in. Then the next piece we need to put in is the bottom piece. Boom. And then basically what you need to do is put this last piece in here. It could be that you need to turn it a little bit. It could also be that it's easier if you deattach this part. If you can't get it in, what you can do is loosen this screw a little bit. And then it's easier to get it in. Boom. And then don't forget to tighten it back up. And then not too tight because then it doesn't really want to turn anymore. Here we go. Now it turns perfectly. We got this out of the little bag if you wonder where I got this from. In the little bag we also have this piece. And this piece we can put over here to attach your microphone, and this piece for a different microphone. So depends on what thread your microphone needs. I'm gonna put my microphone on here now to show you how it looks like. My microphone is on the other Elgato microphone. This is the high profile microphone. So if you like the high profile ones better, this is the one that they sell at Elgato. It could be that your microphone already comes with one of these screws inside, so that is an option as well. Just keep them inside then, and screw them on. Little hint for if you have the microphone that I have, the Wave DX, dock in this side of the microphone. So like this, and not the sides. So I got the XLR cable here, and with the new one, with the Pro, the XLR cable can go underneath. Here we go. And now the cable is nicely tucked in to the microphone arm. I mean, you can do it a little bit more nicely, I think, than I did, but I'm bad at cable management, so, you know. And we've got the arm, and you can set this however you want. Of course, we will be sitting the other way around towards the PC. Tuck inside the top. We can push it away if we want to. We can turn it off, turn it away like this. Whatever we want. Great arm. I like it. Like I said, they also have this arm. So if you would like it not to go over your desk, they do have this option as well if you prefer that. Again, thank you Elgato for sending me this arm. They did not sponsor this video, but they did send me this arm, so I really appreciate that. If you want to see some more Elgato equipment, make sure to watch any of these videos and make sure to subscribe to not miss anything.